大家好. My name is Krista, and I'm in the Language Center at the National Taichung University of Science and Technology. Thank you for joining me again for A Phrase a Day. Today's phrase is kill two birds with one stone. Kill two birds with one stone. A similar phrase in Chinese is 一石二鸟. Kill two birds with one stone means to accomplish two different things at the same time. Now, I know that you're studying very hard, and so you understand this. I'm sure every day you have to do this. You have to kill two birds with one stone. You have to do things, two different things, or maybe three or four different things at the same time to get everything done. Let me give you some sentence examples. Number one, I killed two birds with one stone by visiting my friends while I was in Taipei. Number two, Josh memorized his lines while he was cutting up the apples. He was killing two birds with one stone. So I hope that you are wise today and that you have an opportunity to kill two birds with one stone so that you can get all of your tasks done. And I also hope that you join me again tomorrow for another phrase. Until then, have a wonderful day and 明天见. Bye-bye.